Okay, trade with Crazii version 10.4, review of the 27 May markets. All right, so let's look at some scripture that I done for you itself, right? It's not easy for me because it's so tiring, down with some very bad flu. Then I have to pick up early to do this. So I hope that you guys will appreciate whatever I'm doing for you right now. Yeah. Okay, so this is gold. Actually, this is Dow. Yes, yesterday. This is Dow yesterday. Let's take a look. So Dow yesterday, I told you once the market opens and stay above MLP, you can see that it's a buy. Above MLP, above OP is always a buy. And the KSI was green, so it's confirmed buy. And when the market breaks above pivot, no matter what you tell me, it's a definite buy. Okay. So yesterday I said before, if the market can break above pivot 1, we may even get to see MA 200, which is 42,353 get traded. And obviously it also been done. Okay, so now question is this: how were you trade yesterday? Let's take a look. Now this is the Dow Jones chart entire day. So this start of day itself. Now, what are the few things to capture here? Thank you, Susan Tan. Thank you. Yes, I'm trying my best. Again, my eyes is very droopy and a lot of this, it's coming out from my eye. Thank you. Now, look at the market. It came down, right? Was a lot of diamonds. Okay, we come to the diamond later. But what I want to tell you is this: the market basically missed the KTR -1 and then recovered already with the boys buying, retail buying. So when you see this result, right, you should know that you draw the line and then buy up because the market will go to the KTR +1. In this case, yesterday was very unique. The market also missed the KTR +1 by a bit and then pull back already. Then after that, it basically stopped at the OP mark itself, pull up again, fell, and went all the way down to KTR -1, where that was what failed. Okay. But what was crazy and insane is that when the market hit the KTR -1, in a bull market, usually it's a very good time to buy into the market. Yes, to buy. Because when the market is bullish, KSI is green, it's always good to buy a KTR -1, -2, -3 when it rebounds. So when it rebounded, it's all right. I went in to buy, and of course, the thing is that I target the KTR +1, which the market really hit over there. And after that, when the market started to swivel around the pivot, right, I was very, very tired. Then I was telling a friend of mine, I said, look, if the market can stay above KTR +1 and pivot 1, sorry, then it will likely be challenging the MA, which I told my friend most likely will challenge the 42,353. Because when you look up itself, right, there's only one number that I can see, which is the MA 200. Then after that, we will see the KTR +2. So MA first, then followed by KTR in this case. So therefore, I told my friend this morning, my friend made some money. He texted me and congrats me and wished me for the best. Good luck. Okay, I'm happy for you. All right, so let's go into detail how we traded yesterday. I'm going slowly for you. So first of all, the morning period, we don't really get to trade much. Okay, the first 3 hours don't bother, yeah. So the very first trade you can do was somewhere around here. Basically, the market tried to go up first. If you buy, nothing wrong. Then after that, when the market trades below the line, right, because it's below OP at the same time, that's why when it's below OP and below and calling for sell, right, instead you can be more heavy on the sell side. So it did came down first. Then after that, a new diamond, you just have to draw the same line, draw across it. And the thing is this, it repeated the upside first for a short moment, momentarily came down. But what was interesting is that after that itself, a new diamond appeared. If you draw again, a new diamond again, you draw again. So I just draw it in advance. So when I saw this thing itself, right, and I saw the market now stabilize between the diamond and the KSI retain green, KCX return black, I cannot believe that this is the bottom, okay? And that was where I started to buy some and then run. My first target was KTR, I was OP. All right, because when you look up itself, right, the nearest TP level that's available is OP ma. So we look at the app itself, right, same thing. We look at the app, we open up the app, usually you're buying something or selling something, look for the lines that's available in the market. So let's say your chart doesn't show you the lines because maybe it's pushed down or pushed up, right? You just go to the y-axis and stretch a bit or basically make it smaller. Then you can get to see the lines that's available. That's how you use the app effectively itself, yeah? Okay, so that is the first wave of the market, which is a buy at the start of the day. Okay, then subsequently itself, right, as you can see after that, the market tried to go up, but it failed, came down, tried to go up again, then it failed again. So we see a few push up, then come back down, push up, come back down, right? Now, the only first break that really came in was here, where the market really sold down immediately, went all the way down to OP, and then all the way down to KTR -1. By -1 itself, you can see the market actually stopped nicely at the KTR -1 and then shoot up all the way. And at the same time, there was another diamond, which I love this so much because when you put it there, you can see the market just refused to come down. By trading below the line is normal, but to close above the line is something special. And that was where I know that the Dow will be going higher again. And at times out, I'm very not feeling well, right? I had to rest away. Then after that, this is what I like most. So take a look, guys. This is beautiful, right? The market pulls back, but it didn't go and touch the line. And the KSI was green in color. That was amazing. So that's why we know that if you draw a simple triangle, you know that there's a buy over here. So, okay. And then after that, the price goes up all the way to KTR +1 and stop exactly at pivot, which is a very strong, powerful signal. And it went sideways for a very long time before the diamond again surfaced. And that's where the market shoots up. All right, guys. So this is how we trade the Dow yesterday. Not difficult. But if you trade the NASDAQ yesterday, right, then you have a bit of issue. Now, why do I say that? Let's take a look at NASDAQ later on. Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. This is a gold chart. Okay, see, yesterday gold was very simple. We just shot all the way down from the opening price. You shot all the way down, you're done. Okay, I'll show to you now. So gold at the start of the day, you can see that gold was sideways as per normal, but once you can see stay below the OP and it will sell immediately. But the wave was not enough to cover the first profit, and then the market had a new diamond altogether, and it tries to recover. So by then you should cut your losses and go to long. But as the price had to swivel again and couldn't even go to the MLP, we know that something is very wrong. And we just have to use back the same line and extend. Yes, extend. So you see now the price here is all right. We buy, there's something wrong. When the price break below here, we have to sell, correct? We have to sell because the reason of buying is no longer available, right? So this sell, and the first target will be KTR -1. And because the KSI and HI is actually towards our favor, so we can actually hold this position for a bit more. And the market go really nicely to this pivot tool itself. So it shows that it's very important that when to hold, when not to hold. When the market is with you, then you basically need not hold, you can go for more. When the market is against you, then you have to take some profit along the way. Okay, then after that, there's a diamond, which I love the best. When the market is downward trend, right, I love to see a diamond coming up. And I love to see this type of pattern whereby the market try to recover, but fail to stay above the line. I tell you this, I get very excited when I see this because I know that the price will pull back and hit the stop loss like everybody else. Okay, so for me itself, I hold it longer because I'm aiming for the KTR -3, which I was rewarded. Okay, so it's a very important thing to have diamonds actually available on a downward trend. You just have to know how to utilize it itself. All right, it's very important. Okay, oh gosh. Today, I didn't record this. Okay, no wonder. Okay, now I might continue. So because of that itself, right, that's also happened to go here. Okay, so all clear? All right, so the next thing is that I want you all to take a look is the next chart here. This is the goal in the second half. It went very sideways after that. When the market hit KTR -3, it just went sideways all the way already. Yeah. Okay, now I want to show you the NASDAQ today. Let's look at NASDAQ. The NASDAQ looks good, right, on the day chart, yeah? But in the intraday, you can see the diamonds are peppered everywhere. And it's not the first day. I mean, monitoring NASDAQ. NASDAQ really, the buy up, buy down is very huge. So I will seriously appeal that for NASDAQ trader, right, you're using a diamond, don't use on the 5-minute. Because the switching in buy sell will be quite heavy for you. You can see that in collectively, yesterday alone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 diamonds in a single day. I think that's a bit too much there. But it's nothing to do with my system. My system is following whatever it is. But because the market is very volatile, that's one, you see the red, yellow, right? One woman up, one woman down, one woman. Their market is not trading like normal. It's trading more like a casino playout itself. Yeah, so that is the reason why I think that for NASDAQ, you try to do day chart and not the intraday chart. Being responsible for you. Okay, guys, thank you very much for this morning session. Thank you. So Disha, if you're hearing me, we only have one video for today. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much. I'll see you on Telegram later in the afternoon itself. Okay, bye-bye.